Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Google Classroom on your Oppo Reno 7 Lite. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, begin a search for an app and enter Google Classroom. Hit the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process will be completed, we can open our app. Now click on Get Started, choose the account you want to use for this app or add another one. I'm gonna stick with one already existing. Now we can press on the plus, then join class, enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after the class code is entered, this join button will light blue. Simply click join and you'll be joined with a class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.